empower people.
The state government today decided to take several measures in its bid to eliminate the problem of drug trafficking in the state. Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh convened a meeting to discuss the matter, which was attended by senior police officials. Speaking to media person, Paul Lyngdoh said that there are certain loopholes in the NDPS Act and it calls upon the government to frame necessary rules in this regard, informing that the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission has been notified headed that the government has also decided to invoke Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988, under which a drug trader can be booked under preventive detention for initially 3 months, which can also be extended up to 1 year.
But where the other centers are concerned, so it's not just a local issue here. It's a multi-dimensional issue. It's very complex, and we need to tone up policing. So now we will accordingly have a fresh look by strengthening the rules, so that we tighten those rules, have state rules which will be based on the Central Act, but which will be more stringent when it comes to applicability.
External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar today said that